Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are focusing on Mamba FX. The GOAT has uploaded another video. His last video got 78k views, which we reacted to. All of you loved that. So if you are new around here, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications to be notified ASAP, because I upload 2 to 3 videos every single day reacting to your forex gurus. Let me know in the comments down below who else you want me to react to. But without further ado, day trading with only moving averages for 1 week. Let's see how man like Mamba does.
In today's video, I tried
go.
day trading using only moving averages for 1 whole week. I cannot use anything else to determine which trades I take, and I must stick to my stop loss and take profit until one of them is hit. Trust me, the ending result is gonna shock you.
Mate, here we go. He's upping his content. Respect, respect, brother. Finally, my guys. That's what I want to see.
What are you guys doing in my office already?
Yo, look at them hand marks from the kids, bro. Look at them. They've been eating some like custard creams or some shit.
What are you guys doing in my office already? That's how bad you guys wanted to see how this challenge went? Wow. Guess I gotta do it now. You guys want it that bad.
Got a Lambo just sitting in the back.
I guess we'll go ahead and do it.
Damn.
So I woke up this morning just like any other day, hung out with my wife and kids. And I thought to myself, I want to do a YouTube video, but what can I do to entertain people? What's something that, a lot of traders use but still have questions about or need tips on? And I thought to myself and boom, it hit me. I gotta take a shit. And then it hit me for real. Moving averages. Everybody uses moving averages, but not everybody uses them accurately or is completely sure how to use them. The question really is, can you use moving averages by themselves, or do you need more? Do you need supply, demand, support, resistance, market structure? Do you need all these things? Or is moving averages simply enough? That's what I'm going to try to answer.
Mate, this is going to be interesting. I personally think I don't think it's enough just having moving averages, but
for you guys in this video. Not only am I going to answer that question for you, but we're using a real account. I'm going to deposit $1,000 into a live MetaTrader.
Finally.
Account. We're gonna actually go on there, either lose money, win money, but it's all gonna be real. It's all gonna be live. It's a big risk. Let's just get into it, man. I mean, I don't want to talk. I don't want to bore you guys. I want to get into it. I want to show you guys the results. I want to start. I mean, it's only Monday. We're gonna be trading for the next few days, and yeah, let's go ahead and start by depositing money into the account. This is just unfortunate to do it with their money. So we're gonna deposit $1,000 into the account, guys. As you guys can see, transfer amount $1,000, pro account, low spreads, whatever the case may be. I hit continue, and then as you guys can see over here on MetaTrader, we have a balance of $1,000 on the account.
There we go.
So again, I'm going to be trading on the Athens broker. You guys know I love this broker. We got super tight spreads, really low commissions with.
He said we, which makes me believe it's his broker. I'm sorry. It's got to be his broker. We have tight spreads. You would say they, not we. So therefore, I actually generally think that these are his broker and they're advertising it. I think there's a few YouTubers that advertise Athens, and I believe that they're all in it together, which is fine, respect. My man's opened up his own broker. If he did, I would like him to say that though, but if you need a broker, check out Athens.
Tight spreads, which is really hard to find. The withdrawal process is instant. It hits you like that. So, just a lot of benefits to using Athens. If you guys do want to use them, there's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link, get started, and you too can trade on the best broker ever created. Now, let's get into it, man. One question I have, though, with this challenge is, what moving averages should I use? So, let's go ahead and boot the computer up.
Here we go.
And figure out what moving averages we're going to use, what time frame we're going to use, and what rules are going to be applied to this motherfucking challenge. Let's get to it. So, here's the rules for the challenge itself. We're only going to be using a 50 simple moving average mixed with the 20 simple moving average. Seems to be favorited by a lot of you guys. I looked online, did some research. Everybody uses these 2 moving averages, so we're going to be using the exact same thing. We're also only going to take a sell or buy position if we're breaking below or above both moving averages in confluence with each other. Now, if I'm taking a sell position or buy position, I'm going to be pretty much having my stop loss either below or above, depending on obviously if it's a buy or a sell, where my 50 moving average is, which is going to be red. So if, let's say for instance, our red 50 moving average is 30 pips away, my stop loss is then 35-ish pips, okay? from there on, we're actually going to have a 1 to 2 every single trade. If our stop loss is 35 pips.
So basically saying he's looking for a 1 to 1 or a 2 to 1 risk to reward, which means if you risk 1%, the take profit will make 1% or even 2%. So a lot of traders trade with risk to reward. I trade for risk to reward. You're hoping that you don't hit SLs because the more wins you get, the better profit, like insane profit you're going to get. It's going to be interesting to see how it actually plans out because he's going to be doing the breakthroughs of the moving averages, which means he gets in once it's broken through the average. Now, that's going to be interesting to see if it actually works or not.
We're then going to actually have a 65 to 70 pip take profit. The biggest rule is I cannot, and I have to stress this, cannot interfere with any trades. Once I hit buy or sell and I hit my stop loss to take profit, I have to leave it until one of those things get hit. Okay, it can take all day, it can take minutes, depending on where that 50 moving average is and where our stop loss is being placed. The rules are very simple. I'm going to be trading this for about 3 days straight, non-stop, all day, and we're going to just see where the account is at the very end. Remember, this is a live account. I'm risking $1,000 here, so potentially I could lose the whole account or I could grow it. If I do end up growing it, I'm going to be giving away every single dollar made to all of you guys. So
let's go.
Be on the lookout for that.
Make sure you subscribe.
If profitable. If not, then this made no sense and does not matter. And the last rule, I have 15 to 20 different pairs that I'm going to be trading. I can trade any pair that I want throughout the week. If it's active and it looks like a good setup, or not even a good setup, if it crosses the way I said it needs to cross, I'm going to take that setup. Random pairs, we got NASDAQ, USD CAD, GBP/JPY, the list goes on and on as you guys can see on the screen. Lots of different pairs to trade. That's it, that's the rules. Good luck to me, good luck to my account. And let's go ahead and get right into
Here he goes. Let's go. This challenge is going to be exciting.
Alright guys, so I'm actually looking at CAD JPY right now. We have a decent set.
So he's saying, right, basically, because of this moving averages, the blue and red lines, right? Because they're both here and he's seen it break up, he's going to get in from here and get at least a 20 pip. So from 104, well, it depends on his SL, right? But he's going to get at least 1%.
Setup, we're moving above both moving averages like I'm looking for. I'm going to go and just take a long position right here. Boom. Okay, because the stops are like, right here, the moving average is so high still, we'll just kind of go below that candle right down in this area. So we'll have a 9 pip stop loss. Target that 1 to 2. And we'll see what happens.
That's a nice little one to do.
First things first, I should probably get in the trade, right?
You should probably enter, mate. You should probably enter that trade, mate.
Chart, a little bit of a retracement, so that's good. We're not doing 50 standards, that's for sure. I don't want to risk too much, so we'll just do like a 0.10 for now because I might have a bunch of trades to get in at some points. So we'll go do that, 0.10. As you guys can see, we're in our very, very, very first trade. Let me modify the stop loss, right? So our stop loss seems to be about 104.699. Okay, and then we have take profit being
104.978.
104.973. There you guys have it. We are 100% set up. Let's go ahead and see how this trade plays out. This is trade number 1. Remember, trade number 1 doesn't mean nothing. Trade number 5 kind of does. Trade number 10, 15. Definitely by then you should know if you're going to fucking fail or not. We'll see how things go, guys. Like I said, I'm going to just go relax for a little bit, go eat, do something like that.
Man.
And we'll
this
see how
trade
number 1
goes. Gonna be good.
See another trade or this trade ends.
It's a week.
I'll be back for you guys. All right. You guys stay here. I'll be back. Oh, I should probably bring the camera with me just in case something happens. All right, so I thought I was leaving. Looks like we have another setup. This time it's on gold. Gold's obviously more valuable than a lot of the other trades. But not only that, our stop loss is also way further down because our 50 moving average is way further down. So we got about a 24 pip stop loss, meaning we have about to get to a 1 to 2, we're gonna go higher than that. Boom. We have about a 50 pip take profit. So here's our last trade of the morning. I'm not gonna look at any of the charts right now because gold is a little bit more strong. We'll go ahead and take this trade here on gold, as you guys can see.
0.10.
We'll do 0.10 again. And we'll go ahead and hit buy. And we'll adjust our stop loss right now. But as you guys can see, CAD JPY is going good. Gold is just beginning.
The whole
Let's see what happens, guys.
Good.
Let's see what happens. Well, another trade. Euro CHF. I'm gonna enter this trade, do what I do, and we're now officially in 3 trades. Check the progress of these 2 trades. Currently About to hit the stop loss and break even on gold. About to enter another one. Let's see what happens. All right, so I mean,
Man,
it doesn't look bad.
These are the free trades that he's got right now. Look at gold. Gold's up. CAD JPY's break even. Little pullback, but respecting the previous body. That's quite decent. And then Euro Swiss. It's in profit.
And as you guys can see, we're up on Euro CHF. Barely down on CAD JPY.
It's quite
and
good
we're doing
to be
pretty
fair,
decent
man. That's
on
quite
gold.
jokes.
Now, of course, gold has a long way to go. So does CAD JPY and Euro CHF. But overall, we are in profit at about.
Remember, that was like the 1 minute time frame or something stupid like that. So it looks like it's in more profit than it actually is.
About $1, a little over $1. So everything's in profit except for CAD JPY. That one's not doing the best, but gold is making up for it. So, you know, that's kind of where we are. You guys are going to notice a lot with this challenge.
Also, can I just say he's risking more on gold than he is on CAD JPY and also the Swiss, because gold has more value. So 0.10 lots is more risk percentage on the account. Therefore, he's going to be making more money as well. So, you know, it would have been good if he only stuck to like FX pairs instead of going over to the metal side, because then it would have made it a bit more of a would have made it a bit more of a fair challenge. However, it doesn't actually matter. Free trades.
It's just going to be very
insane if this pays off.
Here's the 3 trades we're in for the day, at least for now. I'm going to go ahead, like I said, leave. I'm officially finally leaving to get breakfast. I'm starving. My girl wasn't ready to leave yet. Now she is. So we're going to go ahead and go get some breakfast.
Nice.
And I'll check in on these trades in a little bit.
Man, I need to get myself a supercar, man. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Honestly, I need to get a supercar, man. Jesus Christ. It looks so nice. They eat.
Okay. Let's go and check the progress on our trades. Okay.
Look at what it's done.
As far as I'm concerned, really bipolar. Like, we literally were just up $1, now we're down $1, but really bipolar, honestly. I mean,
Nothing's happening. Day one.
up and down, up and down. This could literally take days for these to hit profit or stop at this point. Lots of consolidation, man. We've been in these trades for a few hours now.
It won't take days.
I guess we'll just stay strong and keep waiting. That's all we can do. Just pulled up to Walmart right now. The first trade of the day just hit take profit. So
No
as you guys
way.
can see, CAD JPY has
No
officially
way. CAD JPY hit TP?
there no more.
How much for?
Hit take profit
Yo!
for $12. So we are currently up on the account,
17
$12.
pips,
Still waiting for
man.
the other 2 trades to finish
Not
up.
bad.
But
Not bad.
we're officially up. So good start to the challenge. Let's see how the last 2 trades go. I'll start to kind of browse for a couple more setups, but as of now we're up. So it's a good start.
Great little start.
All right, guys. So I just got home. Unfortunate news. Euro CHF. It hit stop loss. I will tell you guys why it hit stop loss. It's very simple. Spreads came in very strong. Typically during the spread movements at 2 p.m. for me, which is like pre-Tokyo, I either move my stop loss or completely take my stop loss off to avoid this situation.
Listen to this.
Unfortunately, because of the challenge, I don't want to touch nothing. I want to keep things how they are. It did end up stopping us out and then moving right back to pretty much where it was. But it's unavoidable. It really is. The good news is with gold, you actually don't have spreads come in and kind of get crazy, and then the markets go crazy, stop loss gets hit. Instead, what gold does is it pauses. From 2 to 3 p.m. Pacific time, gold does not move. It just stays where it's at. And then at 3, right before Tokyo.
Basically, what he's saying is currency pairs move from around 10 to 11 UK time in the PM. For his time, it's 2 p.m. or something like that. But basically, brokers manipulate spreads and stuff like that, so you easily could go, even though the markets aren't open, you can't touch trade, you could be going minus 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 pips in minus. Now with gold, it just stops completely, and when it opens, there could be some volatility, but normally there's not. However, for him, that happened with the CAD Swiss pair, I believe it was, where he was in it. It was probably fine. Spreads opened because of the hour before Tokyo starting, bang, hit him out. The session starts, it starts to move again, it'll go up, down, whatever the case may be, but it just depends. It just depends with the other. So he's out here flexing Athens broker, and like this is why it's quite funny because obviously he doesn't really watch these videos, but at the start he's like, yo, Athens broker, great spreads, and he just got closed out during a trading hour which is all manipulated by brokerage. So, you know, that's a bit of a funny one.
There's at least what's going to happen.
But we move.
You got to be very careful with that. Unfortunately, just to show you guys, you know,
Oh
we
my
did get
God,
stopped
man.
out and
Look
then
at
shot
that.
right back to where we were.
Oh
So
my
super
God.
unfortunate. But again, this is just all part of the
No
trading
way.
game.
That
I
is
want to show you guys the account,
terrible.
where it's at, and all that good stuff. So as you guys can see, man, we're at $1,007 with
Still
69
profit,
cents. Equity's 1,010 with 78 cents, but obviously nothing's guaranteed yet. We kind of have to see what happens. We end up losing $3.77 on this trade.
Not bad.
So
Risk to reward playing into
you know, there's kind of where we're at. Once the spreads do cool down a little bit, I'm gonna go on. I'll find new trades, get in all these different trades, and we'll come back and kind of see how we're doing. But as of right now, as the spreads are crazy, I'm gonna chill, take it easy, and pretty much just see you guys later tonight. All right, guys. So what I've decided to now do is, obviously, you can see gold right here is currently, I mean, we were up cool like 15 bucks, ended up coming back down. We're up like $6 right now. Just waiting. It's just a waiting game at this point. It's either gonna hit take profit or stop loss. There's only two things that can happen. What I want to do right now is look for all of the trades that are currently trading above or below the moving averages, more in like a close, maybe the last 10-minute range, so we can get in these trades early and not like super late or anything. As many as I can find, I'm going to get into. We're going to actually close out tonight like that, and then tomorrow morning we'll wake up, check the progress, and see where we are after one day of using only moving averages while trading. So bear with me while I
What do we reckon happens? I think gold goes up.
I go through and kind of see what's popping.
No way, he ended more pairs. He's just going through the pairs.
All right, guys, we're
Anyway,
officially in all the trades, and as you guys can see,
I love it.
it looks pretty decent. Like,
It's
everything's
pretty
in profit as we
It's
speak
pretty
right now. Sure, you guys can see on the screen. Really quick, as you see these are moving in profit, I'll go ahead and leave these on the screen so you can see them moving while I show you guys each trade that we're in. It's very simple stuff, man. Looking at Euro, we broke above. Gold, we're still above. Euro USD, we're breaking below. USD CAD, we're breaking above. GU, we're breaking below. And that's all the ones that we're in. So we're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, guys. 6 trades, and they're almost all in the blue. They're actually all in the blue now. So we'll go ahead and wait.
Yeah, until like new hour comes in and they all go minus.
We'll relax. We'll see how things go.
Let's see.
I'm going to say one thing. I don't know how this is going to go. If the end of the week goes super duper smooth, trade this at your own disclaimer. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah,
this might
facts,
not
facts.
work for everybody. It could just be a
Yo, this is a fun challenge.
solid
relax.
week. I can always test this longer, test different strategies, whatever you guys want. Always let me know down below. But there's no guarantee that just because this works in 1 week, or if it doesn't work, it's either not good or it is good. So keep that in mind, man. I'm just testing these out for fun. We're having a good time. I'll check back tomorrow morning when all of these hopefully hit take profit or stop loss, and we'll see exactly how the account went. And we'll start day number 2. All right.
Here we
What's going
go.
on, guys? Just now waking up. It's currently 9:35 a.m.
Good.
Tuesday. You guys are not.
Bro, Mamba, what are you doing waking up at 9:35 a.m., bro? That's out of laying, man. Jesus. Here we go. Moment of truth, though. What happened to the trade?
You're gonna believe what happened last night. Let me go ahead and show you guys where
I
we
want to
are.
believe it.
Okay?
Come on.
As
I
you
wanna
guys
see
can
this
see,
one
the
thing.
account is at $986.
I called it.
Every trade almost lost. Almost every trade. Well, I'm not gonna say every trade because 4 of them lost, 2 of them won. So not every trade. Okay.
Damn.
As you guys can see, we.
Yo, what did I say? What did I say? I said, yo, he wouldn't even be minus right now if it wasn't for gold. If he just stayed in currency pairs, I hope he actually says this. If it doesn't, then obviously, you know, it's low IQ for him, or just didn't actually see it. But look at the pound NZD, sorry, New Zealand one. £22 profit. SL and GU minus £8. SL USD CAD minus 8, minus 6 for EU. EU CHF 3. Look at gold. The biggest one is double the wins. It's literally double the wins of the losses. Now, if he had this, if he didn't even trade this, he shouldn't have traded gold anyway. I don't know why he even did that. He just messed up the whole thing, really, low key, because he's minus £13. Doesn't trade gold, bang, you're up plus £15. Now you're up £15, or should we say $15 US. It works. It's just gold messed him up. Hopefully he says this.
Deposited $1,000 into the account. Okay, made 12 bucks, lost 28 bucks. -3, -6, -7, plus 22, -8, plus 14. We're only down 13 bucks on the account. It's really not that bad. There's a lot of trades that just to go straight to profit. So like it hit stop loss barely and then shot into the 1-to-2 ratio win. However, this is where we're at. This is the account, $986. There's nothing we can do about it, but continue
Recovery is key.
Trade. That's it. It's just one day. There's nothing
Recovery
to it.
is
Now,
key.
today's a new day. We're gonna trade a whole nother day. We're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and look through the charts right now. It's 9 in the morning, so it's a little bit risky because of the spreads that come in just about 4 or 5 hours. So hopefully we can get in and out of a lot of these trades. We'll see. I may just wait till after spreads, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna try to be a little strategic about this. After the spreads come in later tonight, we will go ahead and get in like 10.
Yo, if you're trading before fucking spreads opens and you're more
10 trades and just allow the same process. So for you guys, it's 2 seconds from now. For me, it's like 7 hours from now. I'll see you guys in 7 hours / 2 seconds. All right, 1, 2, see you. It is officially 5 p.m. Pacific time. Tokyo session started about an hour ago, and a lot of the charts are starting to move pretty nicely. I'm gonna go through, getting as many of these trades as I can, as long as they're showing what we're looking for is that crossover, not even a crossover with moving averages, but we need to see price action crossover both moving averages. Okay, so I'm gonna go through again, look for all the trades I can. Once we get in all those, I'll show you what we're in, where we're at, and then hopefully by tomorrow morning they'll all hit, preferably take profit. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Yeah, I'm gonna start looking right now for some more trades. Here we go. We are officially in 7 different trades. A lot of good swoops, a lot of good trades crossing over those moving averages. Just to show you one example, as you guys can see, GJ was kind of in consolidation. We then broke above those moving averages. And now, we're going to see if price can find itself going up through this
easy
clean
trade,
traffic zone over here and potentially hitting take profit
smashing
again.
take profit, that is.
Another trade that I didn't expect to take, but I am, is NASDAQ. We crossed below the moving averages and right back above, so I am taking a buy position here, 1-to-2 as usual, and we're going to kind of just see what happens. A lot of you guys are probably wondering, why am I just blindly taking these trades? It's just a challenge. A lot of people think that you can trade just using simple moving averages.
Yeah,
I'm not looking at, or I'm not allowed to look at trend lines, market structure, support resistance, consolidation, none of that stuff.
Hey, this is the best video ever to me.
What I say happens. I have to take that trade. Stop loss is going to be a regular stop loss, just below the 50 moving average or above it, and my take profit has to be a 1-to-2. It's the same thing every single trade. So we'll see what happens, guys. Anytime you guys, or anything else you guys want to see in the future challenge-wise, let me know, whether it's just support, whether it's trading just based off of trend lines, whatever you guys want to see, let me know, and I'll test it out, and I'll try it, and we'll see what we can do in a week. But I'm going to come back to you guys probably tomorrow morning when all of these close out, and we'll see where we are after just 48 hours of using only moving averages to trade Forex.
I forgot to show you guys all of the trades we got into, but as you guys can see, overall we're down about $4.
Damn.
And everything's moving, so...
Yo, the thing is, he's going in on NAS, like he's changing it up. He shouldn't have done, he should have just done currency pairs, man.
Tomorrow,
I reckon he would
usually
have
might
made
take
money.
profit here in a second, but anyways, we'll update you guys tomorrow.
Good morning. Another day, another dollar. Probably wondering what's in my cup. What am I drinking? I'm not drinking nothing. Real millionaires do not drink fluids whatsoever. Water, juice, nothing. Anyways, woke up today and...
Oh, I ain't a millionaire, bro.
You guys are going to be really shocked with this. Check it out, guys. As you
Jokes, I'm a millionaire for sure.
guys can see, we are officially sucking balls right now.
But like again, bro, sorry. Minus $22 on NAS. Despite all of these losses, if he didn't trade NAS and gold, he wouldn't have lost $50. He lost $50 trading it. Now that's
as you guys can see, we are officially sucking balls right now. 2 wins out of 7 trades, man. As you guys can see, overall we're down $45.
He would literally only be down $5 if he didn't do this.
the accounts.
So it kind of does work,
so
maybe.
We're not doing too well. We're not doing too well. But good news. I wouldn't call this good news. We're in another 8 trades. They look
Good
like
news,
right
we're
now,
in more trades.
currently down.
Good news,
like
we're in more
$3, $4.
trades.
It's moving so much. So another 8 trades. These trades, by the way, have all looked really good. Really nice moving average crossovers. Very clean, fresh moving average crossovers. This is what we're looking for. So hopefully it goes well. This is going to be the last day. I'm leaving out of town, and you know, let's just see. This is going to be potentially 20 trades taken. And anyways, guys, I'll come back to you guys on all these trades. Hit, hopefully take profit, and we'll go over pretty much how the week went, what the win rate was, what the win percentage was, and whatever. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh my God. You guys are not going to believe how we ended the week.
I want to see some good news.
I kept saying that, and I kept saying you guys are not going to believe this.
I
Clickbait,
think
whatever
this
the case
could work,
may be.
man.
This is not clickbait, and I'm going to show you exactly why, okay?
I see the
We
team.
have taken a total of 8 trades this morning.
Oh my
6
God, look at
of
them
them.
win.
Okay?
Look at those wins. If he didn't trade Nas and gold, bro, he took another minus $25 for gold. Mamba, if you're watching this, bro, if you didn't trade gold or US, or no, sorry, Nas, I swear, bro, you would be up like $100+ now.
6 of them hit take profit. Okay? Did not expect this, but we only ended up losing $20 on the week. Now, let me explain something to you guys. Don't look at how much we lost. I traded NASDAQ, I traded gold, and I always used a 0.10. I didn't adjust to what I wanted to risk. So I didn't like risk 1% per trade. I risked whatever the random, amount
He finally has realized 20
was based on where the stop loss was, based on where the moving average was. So realistically, I'm going to break this down to you.
Not all the same lot sizes either. Sorry, no lot sizes, stop losses. That's what he's also saying. So like gold, he could have had a 50 pip, 60 pip SL.
And show you guys how this was actually a winning week. Okay,
it was a winning week.
This is crazy. This is actually crazy.
It was a winning week.
All right, guys, we're doing the final breakdown. Okay, our balance of $1,000 is now $979. Remember, there's also swap fees, all that good stuff. So realistically, it's probably more like break even. But again, let me break this down for you guys. Okay, as you guys can see, we had a total of 11 wins this week. Okay, we also had a total of 12 losses. So if you really look at it, yeah, we had more losses than wins, but come on, 11 wins, 12 losses on a 1-to-2 ratio. I believe all of you guys watching this understand that if you're trading a 1-to-2 and you have 11 wins, 12 losses, which puts you at exactly 47.7% win rate, you're positive. You are 100% positive. Now let's say, for example, I risk $1,000 per trade, so I'm going to lose $1,000 per trade, but I'm going for $2,000 in profits. With that being said, 47% using $1,000 risk on a 1-to-2 ratio would have got us a total of $10,000. We would have made 10 grand just this week.
Do it, then. Do it, bro. Do it.
We've just risked $1,000 per trade at a 1-to-2 ratio, meaning we're gaining $2,000 per win. We would have had a profitable week, which we should have had, but unfortunately I just did 0.10. I wanted to stick to just using the same lot sizes. The biggest problem is that we had, NASDAQ, for one, we lost like $30 just on NASDAQ alone because we can't risk less than, 0.01 trading NASDAQ. So realistically, we can't actually adjust our stop loss to the risk on that one in particular. And then with something like gold, if I wanted to risk the same as the other pairs, I could have simply just risked 0.03 and it would have been about the same as a 0.10 on another pair like Euro USD or whatever the case may be. So in terms, it's a profitable strategy. It worked this week. I can't sit here and say it's profitable forever and it's always going to be profitable every week, but this week in particular, in 72 hours, we did end up showing that it was a profitable strategy. It worked. I will never trade like this again or use it on my real large account. I like my strategy better, but it worked, and we had a solid week, a positive week. So cheers to that. If If you guys enjoy the content and you want to see more challenges, breakdowns, anything like that, please let me know. I'm really in the mood to do challenges, real life videos, vlogs, and all that good stuff. So just let me know and I'll get it out for you guys. I love to see the recommendations. Love you guys. Peace. See ya. Deuces. Subscribe. Like. Instagram's Mamba FX Trading. Follow me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Yo, what a video. Make sure to subscribe to Mamba FX. Link is down below in the description. Yo, he actually was profitable. If he didn't trade NAS and gold XUSD, he would have actually made profit there. Crazy, crazy video. Let me know who else in the comments down below I should react to. If you are new around here, subscribe traders, turn on the notification, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.